Hi, my name's Mandy Moore, Amanda Moore should I say, and I'm going to be, just had a shower, and I'm going to be trying to, I'm going to try and crimp my hair, which will be, I haven't did this since I was like 14, so I haven't used these before. I got given them, so I'm going to see what it looks like. It takes me back to the 90s. Yeah. Just to, I've got this heat styling spray. I'm just gonna put a bit of that in my hair, like this. Ew, it feels horrible. Ugh, I don't like that. Get that off. Ew. I know I couldn't find a comb, so I've got to use a brush. Spray some of this heat protect. Yeah. It's like Cousin It at the moment. Ta-da! Hello. Oh, I'm gonna get both sweats in a minute. I'm not hot. Do you like my necklace? It's like a little shoe. It's cute, isn't it? I like it. The problem is, I think, because I've got naturally frizzy, bloody hair, every time I do any style with it, I have to kind of straighten it first, but I'm gonna see if I can get away with it tonight. If I end up looking like a poodle, then I might be a cute poodle and I've put my crimpers on to heat up. Like I said, I was given these. I really just wanted to see. I haven't crimped my hair since I was like 14. That was a 90s thing, wasn't it? Do you remember that? But these crimpers are different now because they're bigger, they've got a bigger barrel on them, whereas the ones I used to use when I was younger, like 14, 15, were small little crimpers. Does anyone remember those? Comment down below if you remember your mum crimping your hair. Probably you'd have to be over a certain age. I don't think it's back in style as such. But let's see how, oh, it's freaking hot, and it's got a little locking button, so I'll put it on because they're quite heavy to press down. So when you press them down, and they've got like a locking mechanism on them, so when you put it on there you can lock it in place, and I suppose you can just, I'm not going to take little tiny pieces. I will be here all night. Actually it's about 5 o'clock in the evening. Chicken's in the oven. Yummy, yummy chicken. Oh, that's annoying. Like a tiny little bit of hair there. Let's lock it because it's really, I understand why it's got a lock on it because it's quite heavy. So it's the first time I've crimped my hair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was gonna, because I love curly hair, I was gonna put rollers in my hair, you know, after I've had a bath, but I can't deal with rollers. Really can't. Because your hair takes about 10 billion years, I'd say about 10 billion years to dry. Even when you wake up the next morning, because I've gone to bed with rollers in, you know, curling rollers, and I've woke up the next morning and it's still bloody wet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, have a look. That looks good. Once I like fluff it all out, And it looks like a medieval torch as you voice, doesn't it? Like burn your nips off or something. Burn your nips off or something. I don't know. I'm so glad I got someone to do this. At least I got an amusement. At least I can talk to the camera. In fact, don't be a YouTuber. Just if you're not into YouTube and you've got a camera and you're doing your hair because it's so boring, at least you feel like you're talking to someone even on your own. I'm only talking to my camera, but I feel like I'm talking to someone. It's keeping my mind occupied, where I can just chat shit to random people on the internet. And anyway, if you're watching, how's your life going? Is it going well? Is it shit? Are you stressed? Are you tired? Are you fed up? Do you fancy someone? Last bit on this bit. Last bit. Let's hold. Ta-da! What do you think? Oh, I got a good video planned. Really good. Some really good videos in my head planned. Really, really good. And like I said, I suffer quite badly with my nerves and anxiety, and I get very depressed sometimes. So I actually find that making vids, whether I don't care who watches them, I don't care if one person watches them. If I can make one person smile, if I can just make one person feel different, then I'm happy with that. I think that's the thing. And like I said, I think sometimes if you can just make someone happy with your video, then you've accomplished what you've set out to accomplish. If you can just make, you know, oh, this is difficult. And 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like counting sheep, isn't it? It's so boring. But the end result will be worth it anyway. So actually, my hand is kind of hurting now. Ow, just this last, ow, tiny bit, teeny tiny bit, ah, lucky enough, if I ever monetize, I'm gonna have to stop swearing, and then what will keep me? Ow! Actually, I feel now the back of my hand, now honestly the back of my hand there, it's hurting. These are really heavy. Ow, it is like aching. Anyway, nearly there. Last bit. Keep going. I'm a Trojan. Fight on. I'm a fighter. Beauty is pain, as they say. It is actually. I think if you want to really be flawless 24/7 and beautiful all the time, it is literally a full-time job. Oh, I didn't know it had a heat set in here. Oh, I didn't know that. Gosh knows what heat I've added on. I've just realised there that it's got like a heat setting on it. I had no idea. So, right, let's turn it off. Let it cool down. Be careful, no children or pets around. And let's my pattern is slightly on an angle, but if I mess it up now, it'll ruin the fall of my hair. I don't know. What do you guys think? Yes, I think we're gonna have to do something with this. I think it looks stunning actually. I'm really just gonna tease the edges. Just problem is I've kind of done it on a side pattern, so let's just do it like that. I really like that corrugated. It's kind of like a corrugated look. It's stunning. Really impressed. Oh, my camera's... I can't get the camera right tonight. No. Ah, my ass is killing me. I'm stuck in the bathroom. Can't breathe. Can't breathe. Oh. If I die, it will be L'Oreal's fault. Sue him for me. Is ever watching? In fact, I think they're sleeping now. Anyway, what do you think? Ow. Anyway, what do you think? Please leave comments down below what you think it looks like, and anyway, please leave some comments down below if you think it's a nice look, if you think this side looks lush, stunning. Lush is a Welsh word, so if you're not from Wales, you might not get that one. Anyway, I love anyone who's watching. Thank you for watching anyway. If you watched till the end, then thumbs up to you. If you watched the end, thumbs up. You're a star, and you're my favourite. Anyway, if you watched till the end, thank you for the watch time, and I love you. Maybe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.